This video demonstrates the use of over 20 of my favorite shortcuts. It was designed primarily for indexing and quick reference. Let's create new workbook using the Ctrl+N keys. I save this workbook using the Ctrl and S keys. I name it Shortcuts. Close the workbook using the Ctrl and W keys. Open workbook using Ctrl and O keys, then clicking the file name from the recent list. Save workbook under a new file name by clicking F12 key, then assigning a new file name followed by Save button. Create new worksheet using Shift plus F11 keys. Open VBA macro screen using the Alt plus F11 keys. Copy contents to clipboard using Ctrl+C. Paste contents from clipboard using Ctrl+V. Cut contents to clipboard using Ctrl+X. Again, use the Ctrl+V keys to paste. Undo last edit or command using Ctrl+Z. Redo last undo command using Ctrl+Y. Repeat the last command executed using Ctrl+Y. Delete cell contents using Delete key. Bold selected font using Ctrl+B. Open context menu using Shift plus F10. Hide selected rows using the Ctrl+9 keys. Hide selected columns using the Ctrl+0 keys. Select current column using the Ctrl+ spacebar keys. Select current row using the Shift plus spacebar keys. Select current data set using the Ctrl+ Shift plus spacebar keys. Move to the first cell in the workbook using the Ctrl+ Home keys.